We put our rice in a bucket because we buy our rice in 50-pound bags.
Perfect rice. Oh, Alexa! Stop!
Am I going to show you how I make rice?
Yeah.
Okay. So just getting 1 cup and we'll scoop 2 cups of rice. We have a rice cooker. This is jasmine rice from Costco, which is basically Lucky Elephant rice. It doesn't matter how much water you put in the first few times. Mix it around. You just want to fill it up a little bit. I already washed my hands prior to making this video. Just rinsing the rice. And I'm just gonna pour that out. Some rice will float to the top and come out. Stuff that floats is probably not what you want to be eating anyway. I'm gonna rinse it again. And I'm just washing it around to catch the rice that's on the side. I'm gonna do this one more time. I only clean the rice about twice. Some people like to clean theirs more. I like it to be a little starchy, so they fill the water. And that's how I like it. So I usually go to about half of my fingers. She usually goes to here. So if you have small hands, you may want to go to here. And you measure where the rice touches to where the water is. So like for me, it's halfway. Boom. Another way you can do it is you can use the lines. 2 cups of rice to the 3rd mark. I don't know your rice cooker. The finger trick works pretty much all the way across the board. If you have a good rice cooker makes a huge difference. It's super fast. Like if we want to cook 2 cups of rice super fast, press quick, and it'll be done in 30 minutes. So I literally can come in the morning and start rice, cook some bacon, some eggs, start 2 cups of rice, and it'll be done by the time I'm done cooking the bacon and the eggs. My favorite method is just set it to jasmine. I'm cooking about 60 minutes, about an hour. My method, the rice is gonna be like good rice for making fried rice. You know, it's not real soaking wet. It's kind of a little dry, my wife says, but that's how I like it.
I like that too.
Yeah. Use a little bit of aloha shoyu. Get a little bucket. That's how I make rice, and we'll check on it when it's done. There you go.
The rice is cooked. The moment of truth. 1, 2. Ta-da! Ta-da! Here's my husband's perfect rice. Look at that. How's your rice, babe?
It's good. Don't mind all the shoyu I put on there. I like mine with lots of shoyu.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Happy feeds!